Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress templates for websites. WordPress templates provide a foundational design, streamlining the website creation process significantly for users of all skill levels. They deliver a consistent and professional look, allowing you to focus on your content rather than complex coding or graphic design. Selecting the right template is the first vital step, setting the tone for your entire online presence and user experience effectively. Discover thousands of options, ranging from free community templates to premium designs with advanced features, in the official WordPress directory and third-party marketplaces. Think carefully about your website's goals. Are you building an e-commerce store, a blog, or a portfolio? Ensure the template offers full responsiveness, looking excellent on screens from small smartphones to large desktop monitors, enhancing accessibility for everyone. Installing a template is straightforward. You can search and install directly through your WordPress dashboard or upload a zip file for premium options. Once installed, simply click Activate to instantly transform your site's appearance. Before any major installation or update, it is crucial to perform a full website backup, protecting your content and data from unforeseen issues. This ensures peace of mind. Once your template is active, the real fun begins with customization. The WordPress Customizer is your primary tool, providing a live preview as you make changes to colors, fonts, and layouts. You can easily upload your own logo, modify header images, and adjust background settings to match your brand. Some templates also come with their own dedicated options panels, offering even more granular control. Remember to create a child theme for any advanced customizations to keep your changes safe during template updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.